Welcome to the DV Systems channel, where today we will provide insights on the prevention of signal degradation. Picture this: a hospital's network backbone humming along on strands of glass thinner than a human hair. Patient records load instantly. Surgeons stream live imaging with zero lag, and life safety alarms never miss a beat. That performance, and the lives it protects, depend on fiber optic cabling that resists signal degradation from the day it's installed. Fiber optics have proven strategies to prevent signal degradation. With blazing high speed, zero bottlenecks, fiber optic stays consistent for decades. Which helps in lower maintenance costs, future-proof capacity. At DV Systems, we engineers design, install, and certify fiber infrastructures that meet, or beat, TIA, EIA and ISO standards, ensuring your critical data arrives intact every time. Ready to schedule an inspection and upgrade? Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more cabling insights.